How to fix status access violation error in Google Chrome. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix the status access violation error in Google Chrome. This error can be quite frustrating, but don't worry, I've got a simple solution for you. First, let's get started. Click on the start menu on your computer. Now you need to type Chrome or simply find the Google Chrome. Once the Google Chrome appears, you need to right click on it. Next, select the open file location. This will take you to the file where the Google Chrome is actually located. Now, you should right click on the Google Chrome and then select rename. Here's the important part. Remove the letter E from the file name and replace it with .txt. And that's it, you're done. This simple change should fix the status access violation error you are experiencing. I hope this solution worked for you. If it did, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. I'll see you in the next video.